Export set options. An export set is a group of documents or case data typically intended to be imported into another application, while a production set is a group of documents to be provided to opposing counsel. From a configuration standpoint, the only difference between the two is production numbering. A variety of options exist for export sets. Today we are going to review the available options. Open Export Sets in your case and select the plus sign to create a new export. The Information section contains your production name, date, and output location, which must be an UNC path to a clean folder. You have an option to zip your export upon completion. Your export environment displays automatically, and notes are optional. Expand each section to view the options. The Numbering Options section contains Bates numbering options. For a rolling production, you can select Continue Previous Numbering. Select your previous export. You can review the end number and see the next Bates number to be applied. Under Document Numbering, you have two options. Use Image Priority will produce documents that will be numbered as it was in the set from which it is taken. Create New Numbers renumbers the documents using the remaining options. Options include type, adding a prefix, or using a delimiter. You can set your starting page and page width. An example of your Bates number will appear when finished. The production numbering fields will be displayed in your review case. Your selection should begin with prod. The security for these fields must allow updates. Data for the current production will overwrite data in the fields. The Output Locations sections define the types of files that will be produced and how they will be organized in your export media. After selecting natives, some of your options are to reference the existing location, select your file naming, and exclude the native if redacted. To produce specific natives only, click the Specify by File Type or Tag. Select the down arrow under File Type to select either File Type or Document Tag. You can also search for a file type. If you switch to Document Tag, you will get a message that only one file type is allowed. Changing your file type selection will delete the previous selection. Your selection will be displayed. Please note that if you check natives and do not specify, then all natives will be produced. When selecting images, you have the option to reference existing location, select your image type, and placeholder missing images. You can customize your placeholder text. Similar to native files, if you want to produce only specific images, you can click the Specify by File Type or Tags. Select the down arrow under File Type to select either File Type or Document Tag. You can search for a document tag or select from your list. You cannot change your file type selection without deleting the previous selection. Your selection will be displayed. Similar to natives, please note that if you select images and do not specify, all images will be produced. When selecting text files, you have two options, document level text or page level text. You can also choose to replace with placeholder text. Under Load File and Output Locations, you will select the load file types. Under Fields and Tags, you will select the fields and tag groups to be included in your DAT file. You can customize your encoding, date format, file path, and create custom text. The export annotations and export redactions refer to .dlf file options only. Volume structure can be customized, as well as subfolder structure. A sample directory preview appears on the right. Under Image Options, Burn redactions must be selected to include redactions on the exported images. You can customize how your redactions appear and must select the redaction categories to be included. The final section is Endorsement Settings. Endorsement type allows you to apply multiple endorsements to your produced documents, such as your image key, which is the Bates number. Options include page selection, font size, and the location of your endorsement. Clicking Map Endorsement applies your options. Click Save when all options have been chosen. You are now ready to run your production. Thank you for watching.